event like this together, but more to do with the emotion of pride that I've been feeling over the last few days. It's been a staggering few days in which we've witnessed nearly half of the pupils in the school being involved in over 150 performances, and they have been demonstrating their incredible progress of what excellence looks like for them. Whether that be something that is a 10-second piece because they've been learning for about 5 minutes, or whether it's a 10-minute piece because they're coming towards the end of their journey at Radnor. We've seen some really outstanding performances of pupils achieving their best and celebrating their peers as well. As my colleagues have spoken about the other four core values, excellence is really the result of what happens when you put courage, perseverance and respect together. And one pupil who has demonstrated that time and time again is Kit. Kit was our overall winner of the festival last year, and tonight he's our excellence winner and will be performing for you Little Wing by Jimi Hendrix. Please make him very welcome.